Emkay's investment view. Rating. Buy, reaffirmed. Target price, 900 rupees, raised by 20% from 750 rupees earlier. Valuation basis, 1.3 times SEP 27E adjusted book value vs. 1.2 times earlier. Rationale, consistently strong financial metrics, superior asset quality, and prudent provisioning. Upward trend key highlights. 1. Strong financial performance. Profit after tax, 30 billion rupees. Return on assets, 1.3%. Return on equity, 16 to 18% projected. Credit growth, approximately 14% YoY, 3.6% CoC, above PSL. Net interest margin, stable at approximately 3.2%, among the best in PSU banks. 2. Asset quality, major positive. Gross NPA, 2.6%, down 41 bits per second CoC. Net NPA, 0.2%. Target GNPA, less than 2% by FY26. Specific PCR, provision coverage ratio, 94%, industry high. SMA2 book, declined sharply to 0.2% of loans. Prudent provisions, 1.8 billion rupees, 13 bits per second of loans, including ECL buffer for stage 1 and 2 assets. Right arrow thus reflects excellent asset quality and very low credit risk compared to other PSU banks. 3. Margins and growth outlook. Growth drivers, high-yield retail segments, vehicle finance, mortgages, and gold loans. NIM outlook, may soften slightly in Q3 due to MCLR repricing but should stabilize at 3.2–3.3%. Funding advantage, lower cost of funds and strong CASA base. Capital adequacy, CET1 ratio approximately 15%, comparable with top private banks. 4. Management and governance. Emkay emphasizes Indian Bank's credible management and consistent execution. Bank has shown steady improvement post-merger integration and has built a strong capital and provisioning buffer. Bar graph earnings and valuation outlook, FY26–FY28E. Earnings growth, revised up by 2 to 5%. ROA, 1.2–1.3%. ROE, 16 to 18%. Valuation, justified re-rating due to consistent profitability, capital strength, and asset quality. Warning key risks. 1. Macro slowdown affecting loan growth or asset quality. 2. Merger with a weaker PSU bank could dilute performance metrics. 3. Margin compression if cost of funds rises faster than expected. Light bulb analyst takeaway. Emkay positions Indian Bank as its top PSU pick, citing strong fundamentals, growth plus margins plus asset quality. Conservative provisioning and high PCR. Superior ROA profile among PSBs. Healthy capital buffer enabling sustained growth.